I do know that we do see families on a regular basis. A lot of the people that we work with within the communities, we kind of go to the neighborhoods and we work with them and just build support into their lives and see what needs they have and see how we can help.
And last month we served 3,456 individuals, 1,280 some households. And that's just for food assistance, and it can be any kind of food assistance that we offer. We have, a variety of different food assistance programs that we offer. We have a food pantry, we have surplus food, we have Food for Life, we have the mobile pantry, we have an ASAPS program, which is for the elderly for food. So we have a variety of different programs that we offer. So that's a lot of people.
Yeah.
A lot of food that we go through. So right now, we're struggling just because we've seen so many people. Our numbers have doubled.
I believe it is. I think that's apparent when I see some of the families come in and see how grateful they are for them to get some groceries and food to feed their families. I think it's brought the school closer together. I think it has given a positive reflection on the school and have shown the community that we do have kids that really care about the community and that they're learning a great service to give back to their community, something that they're going to be able to take along for the rest of their lives. I think the first suggestion I would have is to never give up. I know for you students who first brought this idea to me last spring, you kept pushing me, you kept coming up with ideas and then alternate ideas until you could finally get to where you are. And I really appreciate that determination. I really appreciate that drive. It shows to me that you were serious about this. Shows to me that you understand the need. And so I very appreciate that. I think the community is very appreciative that you really represent Stone Lake High School really well.
You don't stand
alone.
We're here
to
help.